Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account you plan to use. Make sure you can access payments. Once signed in, open the target channel page and look for the Join button next to Subscribe. If you don't see Join, that channel may not offer memberships or your region may be restricted. Make sure your payment method, credit, debit, PayPal, or supported mobile billing, is set up in Google Pay. Now tap Join to open the membership options and pricing tiers. Once the membership panel opens, scan the tiers and compare benefits to pick the best value for you. Pay attention to the monthly price and whether a trial or immediate charge applies. This prevents surprises later. After selecting a tier, you'll be taken to a payment confirmation screen. Double-check the billing method and billing country details. If everything is correct, tap Confirm or Buy. You will see an acknowledgement and access to member-only posts, live chats, or badges once payment processes. After you complete payment, verify your membership is active by checking the channel page for member-only indicators and by visiting YouTube Purchases and Memberships. If the charge fails, retry with another card or switch to PayPal. Also confirm your billing address and 3D secure prompts. If charges look incorrect, check your Google Payment Center and contact your bank. To end or change membership, go to Purchases and Memberships, choose the membership, then cancel or change tier. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.